Hello, how you doing? So not in the main kitchen today. I'm actually traveling and staying at my friend's house, so in a different kitchen. Here we go. Today we're going to make this really simple stir fry beef with baby corn. Welcome back to How to Cook With. Okie dokie, this is super easy. I've got my little wok here. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. We're going to start off by dropping in a cup of sliced onions. About just 3 cloves of garlic. If you want, you could be adding ginger to this as well. And we're on quite a high heat, as you can see and hear. And then we're going to drop in our steak. Now I've got a nice ribeye here today, a nice ribeye steak. In that goes, it's like 250 grams there. And what we're going to do, 4 minutes or so, we're going to just fry this around. It's going to cook really quickly because it's a really nice, beautiful steak I'm using. That's coming on beautifully. Next up, baby corn. About 2 cups there. Fresh baby corn. We're going to throw them around for another 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it, stirring it, quite a lot now. We don't want it to burn. We're on a high heat. A wok is a very thin metal thing, so it gets hot really, really easily. Some black pepper in there. Now I'm using fresh baby corn. You could use it from a can if you want, which means you can just sort of throw it in and cook it for a couple of minutes. This one we've got to cook it a little bit. Now I do like a nice crunch on my veg. Okay, next up, bell pepper, red, mushrooms. I mean, there's tiny amounts there. Like 2 mushrooms and 1/4 of a bell pepper. Add any veg that you like, of course. We're going to go for 3 more minutes. Fabulous stuff, nearly done. Okay, I'm going to get some soy in there. I'm using a dark soy today. You could use light if you want, but dark works well in this. We're going to go like 2 tablespoons there. Now, I didn't add any salt because the soy is salty enough for me, but you can adjust that as you want. Here I've got some green onions, just like 1 decent size green onion, scallion or spring onion, whatever you call that. We're going to just go for 90 more seconds and this is done. It's super and it's easy. Okay, there you go. That's it. Job done. Really beautiful that. Now we can do it so quickly because I've used a really nice piece of steak there, like a nice frying steak, like I say, a ribeye I used. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.